Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. Shapes around us. A ball is like a circle. Again. A ball is like a circle. Your turn. Very good. A window looks like a square. Again. A window looks like a square. Your turn. Very good. A slice of pizza is a triangle. Again. A slice of pizza is a triangle. Your turn. Very good. A door is a rectangle. Again. A door is a rectangle. Your turn. Very good. A clock is shaped like a circle. Again. A clock is shaped like a circle. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready for some questions? Question 1. Which shape is round? Option A square, option B circle, option C triangle. And the right answer is option B circle. Very good. How many sides does a triangle have? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5. And the right answer is option A 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Option A rectangle, option B circle, option C square. And the right answer is option C square. Square has 4 equal sides. Which shape looks like a slice of pizza? Option A triangle, option B circle, option C oval. And the right answer is option A triangle. A slice of pizza is a triangular shape. What shape is a ball? Option A, cube. Option B, circle. Option C, square. And the right answer is option B, circle. I hope you got all the answers correct. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences. Very good. Would you like to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? Yes, I would like to meet you too. Till then, take care. Bye bye.